When making changes to sheet metal parts, sometimes it's easier to edit the flat pattern rather than the folded state. For example, cutting across bends while having to maintain a specific profile. This part requires rectangular cuts on the front face that wrap around the two front bends. Because of tooling limitations, the rectangle cut must be 0.5 by 6.0 inches on the flat pattern. Two issues arise when adding this cut to the folded view. The first issue is the cut would not match the required size. Adding this to the folded view creates a larger cut on the flat pattern due to the part stretching and compressing over each bend. The second issue appears on the flat pattern. Each end is slightly skewed at an angle due to the bend angles involved. To correct this, start a new sketch on the flat pattern. Create the rectangle, then extrude and remove the profile. Use the extrude feature when adding or removing material in the flat pattern. The tab feature is only available in the folded view. Once accepted, the flat pattern shows the correct cutout and wraps around each bend correctly in the folded view. Add tabs to the part. These could be added in the folded view using multiple features. Instead, add the tabs in the flat view using two features, a sketch and extrude. Start a sketch on the flat pattern. Draw each tab, then extrude and add the material. Once accepted, the tabs appear in the folded view. Adding holes in the folded view of this part would be challenging to make accurate. Here is another example where adding the holes in the flat view is the correct choice. Start a sketch on the flat pattern and sketch the first set of holes. Using a sketch pattern, add the remaining holes, then extrude and remove the material. Once accepted, the holes appear in the folded view.